Hey everyone, today I'm going to be telling you how to get to INAZUMA Genshin Impact, so make sure you watch till the very end to understand the entire process step by step. First up, what you're going to do is complete the storylines of Mondstadt and Louis to unlock the Archon quest, which is Autumn Winds and Scarlet Leaves. And once you finish that, you're going to visit Catherine and she'll initiate the dialogue for chapter number 2, act number 1, which is the Immortal God and the Eternal Euthymia. And then after meeting with a Crook's crew member and visiting the Crook's fleet, which is near Givon Stone Forest, you're going to speak to Beidou to make preparations for your departure. And then you're going to witness the small cutscene and you'll find yourself transported to the Ritus docks, marking your arrival in the Inazuma region. And then they recommend that you follow the storyline until you obtain a travel permit guaranteeing you free passage in the region. And there you go. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.